Hi, welcome to Earth and Space Science Unit 3 review. A couple notes that you're going to want to have handy are the Nebular Hypothesis notes, Jovian versus terrestrial notes, facts about planets, and Earth's layers, primary versus secondary waves. If you want to make sure that you're familiar with the planets, that'll also be helpful. Remember, you can look at the notes, but you will need to know this stuff going into the test. You are going to want to know and review the Nebular Hypothesis notes. Yes, this was all distributed due to the composition and density of the items that were in this big cloud, but you will want to know exactly how these certain things ended up where they did, and also know about the present location of the different items that are in our solar system due to this one event. Hi, second part, the inner planets. Most of the info you can get is located in the planet notes Mercury through Jupiter, or you can basically remember what we talked about when we reviewed the different planets during the planet videos. The other thing too is you're going to want to know some general facts about all these planets, Mercury through Mars. Again, you're going to want to know about the outer planets. Remember, these are going to be the Jovian planets. Most of the stuff can be remembered from the planet videos that we talked about for what you did and reviewed for your project. The other one, there might be a few in the planet notes, but generally you're going to want to know some facts about all these planets from Jupiter on out. The next part is going to be Earth's layers. For this, you're going to want to remember, how do we figure out that we have different layers? How did we figure out that we got a core? And what is the major difference between the different layers? And you will also need to know how to prove this by providing evidence for this on a few of the test questions. The number 5, or fifth part of the review, you will want to know the difference between P and S waves. Remember, P is primary, S is secondary. What is the big difference between the two? Which ones travel through rock, which ones travel through liquid? And when you're given a diagram, you will need to probably tell how to interpret that information. Last part, you will want to look over your asteroids, comets, and meteor notes. You should have the Venn diagram from class in which you sorted out the different vocabulary terms and know the difference between these three types of orbiting space debris. Also see the notes on mrharwell.org talking about these.